More of our coverage here on this. The top prosecutor for Jefferson County, Jarena Weathers, is stressing that her office is also committed to making sure young people are held accountable if they commit crimes.
And it comes after 5 people were arrested for a targeted club shooting back in February, and several of them had connections when they were 14.
Our Focus reporter Travis Breeze is here right now with the prosecutor's message. And Travis, she's also been in favor of parents facing some form of consequences for their kids.
That's right, Doug. Commonwealth's attorney Jarena Weathers outlined a lot of steps today. One of those, she says she's working with several agencies to try to get some kind of parental responsibility law going forward. She also talked about how her office deals with various convictions, saying that they always try to get a sentence that reflects the seriousness of the crime, while also realizing that her office handles almost 3,000 cases per year, and they can't take every one to trial. She says her office hears people's recent concerns on some of these sentences for juveniles.
We need them off the streets.
Louisville's top prosecutor, Jarena Weathers, says she's taking a stern approach to juvenile offenders this summer.
But our community is calling for more.
Teens can be waived to adult court for serious crimes if they're over 14. But what about their parents?
We are calling for new legislation for parental responsibility.
In February, 5 people were arrested for a deadly targeted shooting outside the Club 7 nightclub in Shively. 2 of the people charged with complicity to murder, 19-year-old Chance Guthrie and 20-year-old DeMontre Rocks, had past convictions when they were 14. Guthrie pleaded guilty to second-degree manslaughter in 2023 and served 3.5 years of a 6.5-year sentence. Rocks pleaded guilty to facilitation to murder in 2022 and served 3.5 years of a 5-year sentence. Weathers was not in office for Rox's plea deal, but was in office for 6 months when Guthrie pleaded guilty. She has declined to speak directly about the open case from February.
And from the outside, I will agree. It looks like sometimes that someone kills someone and they only get so many years, but there's no really threshold to that. We do the best that we possibly can with what we have in front of us.
She says the cases get to her after they've been thoroughly investigated by LMPD, and certain factors like not having a witness can make a plea deal more likely.
So we're going to continue to pursue justice in every way that we possibly can.
Weathers says youth violence is a community problem, but her office will hold teens accountable. You may remember there was a 13-year-old arrested for 2 counts of murder last week in the Algonquin neighborhood. The Commonwealth's attorney's office can only handle defendants who are at least 14 years old. So that unnamed juvenile's case will go through the county attorney's office and the juvenile court office for now. In the studio, Travis Breeze, WHAS 11 on your side.